Hi, welcome to this video. We're gonna guide you through how to enable YouTube Ambient mode on desktop and mobile. So if you're using desktop, all you gotta do is just open YouTube and click your profile name in the top right, like in the video that you're seeing right now. Select appearance and ensure dark theme is checked. Open any video and hover over your mouse to bring up the player controls. Click the gear icon and toggle on Ambient mode. But for mobile, all you gotta do is open the YouTube app, right? Click your profile icon at the bottom right, right? Hit settings at the very top right. Next, go ahead to general, go to appearance, first option, right? And switch to dark theme. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna tap on any playing video. So let me switch here to dark theme, apply settings. Now let me play any video. Now tap the gear icon at the top right of the video, right? Click more here or additional settings and toggle on ambient mode if available. So consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.